Help. Legal help. Have legal troubles descended upon you? Do you need help? Legal help? Hi, I'm Gene Ferguson, your Downriver family attorney. I practiced law for 28 years. My practice consists of divorce, criminal, drunk driving, probate, estate planning, and business. I'd love to help you solve your legal troubles. When legal troubles descend upon you, you need help, legal help. I can provide that help. First, we'll thoroughly discuss and analyze your case. This will permit us to develop a strategy to solve your legal problem. Secondly, we'll ascertain if any underlying issues exist that need to be addressed and how. In other words, I want to not only solve your legal problem, I want to prevent future legal and life issues. Again, I'm Gene Ferguson, your Downriver family lawyer. I want to provide help, legal help. Please call me at 734-775-6656. Thanks a lot for watching and have a good day.